Hey there, Brendan Bailey with the MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. I'm here on this beautiful 2018 460 Sundancer. This is a brand new listing that just came available. If you're looking for something that's like brand new, this is as close as you're going to get. Hardly been used, low hours, less than 50 hours on the Cummins Zeus system. So let's walk you through it. We're going to start back here at the swim platform. This does have the hydraulic swim platform with the steps that will bridge the walkway up here to the cockpit, and it'll go all the way down. You can put a tender or jet ski or something back here if you wanted to do that. As you can see back here, the gourmet station on the boat really became a really popular staple with Sea Ray. Nice area to be able to grill. On the Kenyon, you've got your sink, a couple of drawers underneath. Just a nice area to be able to not be in your entertainment space cooking and preparing food. You're actually back here on the swim platform. Nice to be able to hand those hot dogs and hamburgers out to everybody in the water. So we're going to step up into the beautiful cockpit of this 460. First thing you'll notice is the real teak here in the cockpit, not a imitation teak, but an actual real teak wood cockpit. Nice upgrade. Beautiful high gloss cockpit table. Nice rear seating here. Nice L-shaped seating with a jump seat here on the right as well. There on the port side. And you'll notice the slider, which is really a nice feature that Sea Ray put into this so that you can slide this back. Really creates a lot of extra room to hang out here in the cockpit, dance, whatever it is you want to do. And you'll notice that I'm standing in the shade right now due to this sure shade that's above us. Really a nice feature. Goes back all the way to the gourmet station there on the swim platform. An absolutely beautiful entertainment cockpit on this 460. I think you'll agree when you walk through it with me. Hey, we're going to move into the salon, so join me in there. So as we move into the galley slash salon, I like to call this kind of a great room because like most of our homes, everything is kind of centrally located so everybody can entertain each other and be able to carry on a conversation. One of the features I really love about this boat is the ability to have a lot of refrigeration, something that just seems to be lacking on a lot of late model boats. Tons of refrigeration, as well as the owner upgraded the wine chiller here as well. As we step over here into the galley area, you'll notice a nice L-shaped galley countertop to be able to work in, Cuisinart, convection oven, some storage up above, storage underneath here as well. And one really cool feature, whether you're inside or outside, you have the ability to either have your TV facing forward or facing backwards. We've actually sat in the cockpit of a 460 and watched a Kentucky Derby right there. So what a great feature and really versatile. It gives you a lot of ways. If you've been out in the sun all day and you're ready to be outside, you've got the ability to watch TV here. Once you're ready to slide the doors closed, be in the air conditioning like I am right now, position this to where it faces forward or faces a galley. So let's step forward into the helm station. So as we move into the salon slash helm station area, first thing I want to point out as I stand here, it's glass all the way around me. I mean, it is beautiful scenery. You can see all the way around you and out back. You can't ask for a better view when you're standing here. Tons of light. Really just a neat setup. Check out this huge L-shaped sofa here. This will actually convert out and become a bed as well. This owner selected the coffee table slash dinette kind of cocktail table here. Kind of goes up and down. It's just a weighted base table. You can take this on or off. Really makes it functional if you want to eat inside in the air conditioner when it's time to get away from the heat maybe a little. Cool conversation piece here. You can have face-to-face conversation on this boat because you've got these jump seats here on the side where you can actually sit across from somebody and have a conversation. Really a good conversation layout to just sit and talk. Let's step up into the helm. One of my favorite helms. This boat does, not a lot of 460s out there had the Zeus propulsion system. This particular boat does. Have Zeus with skyhook, digital shift and throttle. Auto trim tabs really makes owning and operating the boat very nice and really just kind of user friendly. Don't have to think a lot about operating this vessel. When you look forward, you'll notice these are the latest and greatest Raymarine Axiom touchscreens. The first 460 that they actually produced with the new 460 or the new Axiom Raymarine unit. So all the technology is on this boat to make boating easy, give you the resources to do what you want to do, frankly. So let's transition down into the VIP stateroom and let's check that out. So here we are in the VIP suite, and One thing I love about the versatility of the 460 is in this forward stateroom, you've got the ability to either have a full-size bed, or if you're like myself, I've got a 7-year-old and a 12-year-old, I can split these into 2 separate beds. It really makes it versatile. If you have somebody sharing a bed, if you got a couple guys that are going to stay on the boat, a couple girls are going to stay on the boat, they still have the ability to sleep in their own bed. So if you'll move into the VIP head, you'll notice a nice layout with an enclosed shower. Really, the VIP carries the same head amenities as the master stateroom does on this boat. Beautiful glass bowl, nice designer faucets, tile floors. Just an absolutely beautiful design in the head. So let's move back into the master stateroom. So here we are in the master suite. I think every one of these that I've sold here in Dallas, which there's been 5 of them here in the Metroplex sold, every time I've brought somebody into this master stateroom, they are absolutely floored that you can get this big of a stateroom, full beam, into a 46-foot yacht. And it's definitely a showstopper when you walk in here. Obviously, you can walk around the bed. You've got decent headroom above you. You've got the nice cabinets there on the port side. Here on the starboard side, you've got a great spot to be able to sit down, kind of get ready for bed, read a book. There's a beautiful window behind me if you just want to sit and look outside. Really just a great layout for a master stateroom. And then as you look forward here to the audio AV cabinet here, you got a nice flat screen TV with the Bose surround sound system and sound bar, as well as the washer and dryer. So from a big yacht feature on a 460 Sundancer, this is it. I don't think you can get much better than this. So I'm Brendan Bailey with the MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. I appreciate you coming along on this tour with me. Give me a call at 972-670-8211 if you'd like to step aboard Miss Betsy. We're 20 minutes from Dallas Love Field and 20 minutes from DFW, and I can't wait to hear from you. Thanks again. Bye-bye.